What do you think, Rain? Look at this.
She says, I like the shade, but I want a battery-operated blender. I'm ready for some daiquiris.
We're in a...
You see any rabbits in the woods? Now you got a spot on your glasses.
Where are you going, Rain?
Arkansas.
Clean up?
Yeah, they want.
Yeah, Boo said I had to clean up in order to get out of the house. Now I wish I wouldn't have cleaned up. I want the air conditioner.
Let's go to Arkansas.
Johnny Doll.
Oh my god. Look at it. I wouldn't be surprised it's funny.
There's a bench in the sunshine.
Yeah, we don't want that.
In the sunshine. Another bench in the sunshine.
Look at the flowers here.
I've seen 3 benches in the sunshine.
Oh, something smells good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right there. I know. It's the lavender. Right here, lavender.
The lavender?
Yes.
There's not rosemary?
Oh, rosemary?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Which is it?
No, that's not rosemary. Rosemary has
That's
spikes.
not rosemary.
So this has to be lavender. Oh, there's a bee. There's a bee. There's a big bee.
Good afternoon, sweetness.
Come on.
How are you, my sweetness?
We're going to the bridge.
We painted it.
Oh, so pretty. Look at that flowers. Beautiful flowers. Orange. Oh, there's a name in here. This one. Well, that one. Achella. Oh, hi, bird. Hi, dove. Oh.
I guess it's camera shy. Holy feather.
Mom!
What?
That sounds like a pheasant.
Yeah. Oh God, you guys are alcohol. Oh, I forgot. There, went to the car, the alcohol. Well, there is no place to thing in here.
There should be a bench someplace. Oh, maybe not because cars drive on here too. Huh?
Remember when there's a clearing here where we saw the white bunnies?
Yeah.
They were just like over the edge.
Not over here, not on the bridge.
Are you okay, Rain?
We saw
Or are you
them
getting
from
too
the
hot?
bridge, Ruby. We saw them from here.
It's
We
hot?
stopped and we looked like
Here,
this and
try
it was
this
like there they were. Probably came from over there. What'd they do? Spray this with oil or something? It looks darker. It smells different.
We actually have water too. If, you know, we have to share the water.
Share
the water?
There,
yeah, it's like a toilet. You don't just flush it every time you go. You share the water.
Can you hear that?
Careful now. It's like the plane is in the tree.
What's that? There's something moving over there. It's a bird.
No, it's a plane.
No, wait, that's not a bird.
It's Super Squirrel.
Yeah, that's a squirrel.
It's a bird without wings. Shaking his tail feather at you.
Are you done for now?
Feather.
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, here, give it to me. Are you done?
She's not sharing. She says, no, that's mine.
Good job, Rain. You finished the whole thing.
Of course, Mommy.
That's a lot of yogurt for a
Oh.
little baby. Oh, you're not a little anymore.
Oh, Mommy, I would have finished it a lot faster. The spoon would have been the right shape. What are you doing?
Go down, Ruby, so you can be on camera. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, well, still thing.
What, you're going to eat the
Go there,
carrot
on-
now?
No.
You're going to eat the carrot.
No.
Oh my God.
Well, I'm stuffing my face.
You're gonna eat the carrots now?
No.
I was acting like a bunny, so I figured I might as well, play the part in full.
No. No. I want to get another piece of this.
Yummy yogurt.
Yummy yogurt.
Your yogurt is so yummy.
Yoplet. Do you like your yoplet? Oh, it's hot.
Here, let me help you,
I think
Rain.
it's time to go home
Here,
and pee-pee.
finish. Oh my God, you're almost done. Good job.
Hey, Boo, is it time to go home
There's
and go
more,
pee-pee?
huh?
Boo. Hurry up and finish. Let me go home and go pee-pee.
No.
Yeah, I
Ruby.
don't even have any water left, Boo.
Are you trying to sneak in with that?
No.
You're gonna eat it?
No.
You gotta break it smaller.
Trying.
Well, rub it against something.
Ow.
Take bites off and make bites.
Why do you have a carrot in your hand, Ruby?
Try to get.
Bite a chunk off. Oh, what's so hard about that? You bite
Heaven!
through metal and pencils and everything else. You should be able to bite a friggin' carrot.
Carrot. No, he's eating on my carrot.
No eating my carrots. That was your carrot, right?
Oh my God.
That was yours now?
done yet?
No.
Daddy got pee. Daddy really got to go pee-pee.
Ruby, careful over there. What are you doing?
Chasing after a rabbit. Looking for a rabbit. Someone coming up behind us. Show Mommy the crook.
This is where you can see it easier.
Need help?
Yes. No.
Huh?
Here. Hey, look at Mommy here. Mommy!
Mommy's looking at the crook with Sissy.
Look, there's a bicycle. No, wrong. Look at your bicycle.
Yeah, bicycle.
Bicycle.
Yeah, here's the last bite of your yogurt. Hey.
Bye.
Huh? I'm not throwing them far enough. I've got a terrible throw.
Are you done?
She's
Did
done.
you clean it up?
Yes.
Pretty good.
She's done.
Wow, that was a good throw.
Hey, that's your house. That's your
Yeah,
house.
that's close enough. Over there to the group of trees so the squirrel can see it.
Mommy, help.
Come on, Chip.
What's wrong, Rain?
Help.
What do you need help for?
You need help.
What?
I'm gonna
Ruby.
get to Richard.
Ruby,
You help? Please?
With what?
that group of trees.
You can help. You help?
Yeah, we're going home, Rain.
This is please here.
Let's go here, the garden.
Moonshine?
Yeah, it said here what it is. And this is a nice flower here.
What's this?
Something.
Oh, that's cool. Nice name. Do you think any bunnies would be over here? Carrots?
I have no idea. You're at home with the meadow.
I see flowers over there.
Hmm?
In the forest.
Where?
See the pink?
Yeah.
Here.
Where's that going?
I don't know. Probably going to Costco. Hey, coffee.
Yeah. California puppy.
It's illegal to pick them, right?
I don't see that anymore.
Probably went to Costco. Or went to the car. See?
Oh, there you guys.
It's a maze.
Oh, nice flower here.
They snuck off into the woods.
What?
5 or 6 turkeys. There was a whole group of turkeys.
I already ran out of
They're right there eating dog food.
That's been eaten by the ants.
There's like a whole group of velociraptors. Regular.
Hi, Dorothy.
Everybody else is that way like a tenth of a mile.
There's a turkey, Rain.
turkey.
You missed the 6 of them that went by, huh?
Turkey. Look at turkey.
Oh, your friends left you?
Look at
The girls are down that way.
turkey.
It's a turkey, baby.
Oh, you're one of the semi-white ones.
Yeah.
You're an edible.
Mommy,
Hey.
I still wonder.
Here, one's coming back for you.
Oh, it's his rain is in the sun. Her face.
I had to let her know that her friends were coming back for her.
What are these, plum?
Huh?
Oh,
Are these plum?
these would be some. Oh, look at plums.
They look like mushroom. It's weird.
Apple? Fungus?
No, they're... What are this stuff? What are these? What are you doing, Ruby? Enjoying the weather?
Enjoying? Yeah, I guess. Me and Boo will probably not want to be out, so we'll probably end up running around the yard at our house. Can we?
No. Just have to go in and do the air conditioning
I'm
thing.
hoping we're gonna watch a movie.
Where was that tree that we lost? Oh, it's way far out there now. Never mind.
Dad wants you to put in the code.
Huh?
The code for HBO Max.
Alright. I heard something. What?
Some type of bird.
Oh, there you are. Hello. There you go. How was your walk, Rain? Did you have fun?
She said gobble gobbles, Mama.
Did you have fun?
We have fun.
Yeah? Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
She says, I saw turkeys, Mama. I heard the car talking to me. The car said, hi. Welcome back.
Hey. Hey, come here. You okay? Oh, sun. The sun is in your eyes. No looking at the sun.
Sunshine.
So did you have fun watching rain?
Yeah, fun and watching.
Yeah? Was it fun?
Fun.
Yeah?
Mommy, you put it in.
Put it, close it.
Close it.
Okay.
No, don't close it. It's a nice airflow.
Yeah, there is a shade, sun here. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Airflow. Out the door. I mean,
There
in
we
the door.
go. There you are.
Hey, Mommy.
Hey, Rain.
Are you open it back?
Huh?
Open it back.
She wants you to open back the door.
You do.
No, because we're going.
It'd be funny if someone pushed that in.
And that's better not be you. We don't need that. That's why we went out.